it's a Hello World program right there. So let's go fire this thing up and see how it does. Right, here we are then. Let's see. Here's the board. Here's my monitor. And we'll be powering this thing. Hi, I'm the Troy. What are you doing? I have this power supply, which I think came from a monitor that died, and I kept the power supply. It's 16 volts, 3.75 amps. That's plenty. This can run on anything between about 10 volts and 28 volts. So I can connect the power directly from the power supply to that. And then for this, which needs 5 volts, I got these little buck converters. I got a 6-pack of buck converters for like $10 on Amazon. So that will provide the 5 volts that needs. And so if I plug it in, we'll see. Now, there's a power light here. That's a power light, and this is just a status light, if you will. What we'll see is that will come on and stay on. This comes on while it's running initial diagnostics, and then it should go out. Okay. And blink, and it's off. Okay. And you can see this has, the power supply has nice little LED on it to wake us up in the morning. I just want to verify the output. It's adjustable. You can see it has a little blue trimmer there. So, let's see. Yeah, it's close enough. Okay. So in theory now, if I turn the monitor on, I should be seeing something. But I see nothing. Oh, there. Okay. So there's this sync problem. And this happens. And I don't know why. So if you have any ideas about why this happens, initial startup, please put them in the comments. Whoa. This is the first time I've tried this little power supply here, so well, no, it's stabilizing. Okay, so this could just be, oh no, now it's reversing. Oh, there's some timing things there. I don't know if this just wants to like warm up, if it needs to warm up before it stabilizes, or what the deal is. But you can see it is putting text out onto the screen. And I can adjust horizontal position, vertical position here. And then it's got something it calls clarity, which just like smears the characters. And then it's got this other thing here, which is called width. Well, I want to try something. Hang on. I'm going to unplug. Okay. Oh, that was cool. So let's try to run it off of this power supply and see if that makes a difference in the stability of the screen image. Well, we've got that business again. Sync. Yeah, much more solid. Oh, well, our good friend the linear power supply. Hi, I'm the Troy McClure of power supplies. You should have stuck with me from the beginning. Seems to do the trick. So I'll have to take a look at those buck converters and see if maybe that's not something I want to use, or maybe I need to use a linear converter, a 7805 or something. This draws about a half an amp, as you can see. Hopefully, here, yeah, it's under half an amp. So anyway, That's the current state of the world.